Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Fish on. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Hooked him. Got him. Fish on. Fish on. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Another lizard fish. I stopped at one spot a while ago, and it is totally horrendous right now. The water is crazy, but I'm gonna walk around to the bar mouth and see if I can probably pick up a snook or so. I was aiming to run some snooks in this the shores here, the shoreline here, but that's not gonna work out very well because the water is rough. So like I already came down, I said let me just touch up the bar mouth and see what I can pick up, because apparently the weather is rough today. So you got a lot of large swells coming from out sea, and there's birds down here, so obviously something's going on. So let's give it a shot and see what we can pick up here today. The water is not looking good at all, guys, and I'm definitely going to give it a shot. So stay tuned to Jamaican Shore Fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And thank you guys for jumping in. Pick up yourselves outside. It's picked up yet, but the water, the waves are like stupid ridiculous this morning. I don't know what's going on. And normally it's calm down here. But still getting a few casts in here real quick in this roughness, because there might be a jack or a snook passing through feeding. So trying to get to the bar mouth, to the calm of the river, guys. And if this river don't prove fruitful, we'll hit the next one up down the line. But I had to just stop and check this. I haven't been here in a long time, guys. Since before December. So I said, all right, let's check it out. See what's up. I know Brian said he was attempting to go to deep sea today with his wife on his birthday. Well, big up yourself on your birthday, Brian. Happy birthday. And wish you the best of the best on your Earth Strong, bro. So that don't look like that's going to happen today with Brian. So I most likely will bump into him on the road, because he's going to be most likely either this side coming down. So making it around to the bar mouth, guys, with a snook killer lure. I got someone down here fishing. Hi there. Yeah, David's out. Ooh, fish on, guys. Woo, hoo, hoo. Fish on. Holy as I get down here, a jack, a little jack. Check it out, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Woo, woo. First catch of the morning. David! Let's go, Massa. Alright, calm down, Mr. Jack. Let me get this hook out. Get you back in the water real quick. Go on, Mr. Jack. This is your lucky day. Fish on, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. I enjoyed myself doing this, though. Little small jack put up a little fight there, guys. Yo, Dave, may I run down the line here? May I go hand over side? Probably I'll do that Fort Charlotte. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna change spots. Like I said, I'm not getting much pickups here. I got one jack here so far for the video. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We're just, like I said, checking this spot out to see what we can pick up. Dropping a few lines in there. The ocean looks kind of rough. I've been casting a few casts out there, but so far I haven't picked up anything. So let's get to it and see what we can get down the line. The water is rough. I do have a paddle tail on there. Shore fishing. Found a little different spot here that I enter from, which I normally don't. But it looked like somebody chopped this whole section out for me, of course. So we're gonna try this out. I've never tried this little spot before. It's a little bit further up than where I'm normally used to. But damn, I got sand in my feet and that hurts. So looks like you got a lot of action going on out here, guys. Like a lot of people have been coming down here. The water don't look too pretty, guys, but we're still gonna try anyways. Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here, guys. That's what's up. Water don't look the prettiest, especially on the ocean. Rough seas. See what we got this morning. One lucky fella to bite on my lure this morning. Alright, well, we got one already, a jack. Damn, that don't look safe. Yeah, water don't look the greatest today, guys. Sun is hiding behind that cloud. That sun is coming up behind me. Yeah, I gotta watch my step on these rocks, because if I fall, yeah, I'm gonna hurt. On that little dark spot. Alright, guys, so a spade is a spade. Ocean water here is, the color is not good at all. I get to deeper waters, guys. Deeper waters, clearer color. Let's get out of here. That's not working out. Oh shit. This is not working out. The weather back here is not good, guys, so let's move down the line. Seeing the water down here is calm as hell. And it's just so damn funny that up top the water was rough. I'm gonna take this lure off. I don't think this white lure is the right thing to be using here now. I'm gonna go with the soft plastic real quick and see what I can pick up on the soft plastic, guys. I've hit a few hits on it already. Come in, go back out. Hey guys, so I'm gonna hit these. The water looks good down here as hell, guys. I just don't understand this. Woo! He grabbed it, guys. Nice size barra. Alright guys, I just seen a big barrel run it down a while ago, so I'm gonna have to switch this off and go to a twitch lure. See if I can get him with this twitch lure real quick, guys. Yeah guys, so one. Alright, let's get my bag back on my head, on my back. and get casting here, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. What the heck was that all about? Seen a barra chase the line earlier, but he didn't grab, and that was on a soft plastics lure that was sinking. So let's get that lure all the way out there, guys, and see what we can pick up from that distance. I hate hooking fish from that far. It sucks sometimes because it's hard to get it under control at times. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Hooked him. Got him. Fish on. Ooh, yeah, baby boy. Come here. You're mine. Come on, boy. Don't give me no trouble. Come on. That's it. That's it, Jamaican shore fishing. Come here. Come here. There you go. Lizard fish, guys. That's what's up. Let's get him. We got a lizard fish on here. One down. Alright, guys. So, we got him. I guess I can bring these fish up to my boy. Lizard fish. I know one of them would have hit. Ah, come on. Let's go. Don't give me a hard time. Let's go. You're dead. Dead off. Alright, let's get this on here. Ah, shit. That spoon lure is definitely doing it, guys. Yeah, guys, so a little bit of fishing with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We've been casting this left side the whole time. We haven't cast since I seen that barra. Just keeping that little lizard fish fresh. I'm gonna bring him to my boy up top. We're gonna get a fresh fish today. Yeah, Brian. Hang on. Yeah. Log on. Me there west. Me there west right now.
Oh, you doing it now?
Yeah, me there nigger right now. Hook on one more lizard fish. Thing come off. I'm messing with the damn phone, guys. Big old lizard fish I caught, guys. That was a big one, man. A real big one, man. Yeah, guys, so I'm trying to get out as far as I can out there. I'm gonna switch off. Spoon was giving me distance, but at the same time, I'm not getting the diving action that I want, guys. Even though I could let this sink for a second, but then again, you risk the fact of getting caught on reefs with the spoon lure because it's heavy. It's gonna sink. It's not gonna stay mid water range. It's gonna definitely sink, and it's gonna definitely hitch onto something for sure because of that treble hook that's on the end of it. I lost a spoon lure this morning just for that fact. I'm gonna go with some top water lures in a second, and some noisemakers, some more soft plastic if possible. Jamaican shore fishing is the name, and lure fishing is my game, peoples. That's what's up. Switch my lure off. Switching out lures, guys. Fuck I did with it. No. Now trust me, I've killed more barracudas on this. Check out my YouTube channel.
Yeah, I see you on YouTube.
All right. That is it. You didn't see the one I caught last week?
In Jamaica?
Yeah.
Where?
All right, guys. Let's go. All right, we'll move. As a matter of fact, I wonder if we could cross the river, but I don't want to do that yet. Good old mother flower. Good guy. Way small. One big one look wild, but the goddamn answering the phone make him get one nice size one. The biggest one we ever catch on here yet, you know? No, one lizard fish. Yeah. Grab on the spoon lure look wild. I was like, damn. Answer, I'm gonna answer. No man, this one was about this a while ago. I came up on the pier and he drop off. Yeah, nice thick fat one man. Yo, they meaty, you know man. Yeah. And when I bet, yo, they ugly, but they full of meat. Yeah. Enough meat in them. But big up on yourself still. I'm borrow me a hunt. In the boat here, you know. Hey doggies. So me catch one big one look while up this one and get one, you know. Answer me answer the damn phone like a. And dip on I'm going answer phone. Yeah. No, I'm gonna go around this. And fish this corner right here. And see what I can pick up, guys. I left my car in the parking lot back there. But I couldn't reach out from the pier to over here with my cast. So I said, you know what? Let me come on the rocks right here at least and chuck out. Let's put them down right here for now. See what we can pick up. Has to be a barra here someplace. Has to be. You're here. I know it. I feel you. Sneaky little bugger yous. Got some sneaky little buggers. I know you are. Ooh, long jaw made after it. Here, shore fishing. Giving it all we got today, guys. Seeing what's up. Checking these coves. These boys don't like the chartreuse down here, guys. Alright. We're not getting much on the chartreuse. We're going to go back to the spoon lure. And as homeboy said, don't change off the spoon lure. Stick to it. And did I just drop my lead outside? Yep, I did. Alright, guys. I wasn't getting that far out before. Comb in the water, nothing. So far. Alright, I want to go get my car. After this cache, I'm going to go get my car, guys. And I think I want to move a little bit further around and try different locations. I'm not going to drive all the way here and not try these locations today, guys. That's crazy. Alright, we're not going to go any further, guys. I think we're going to shift from here. We're in the bush that don't get much sea fish. One little diggy lizard fish. It's alright. Let's get back. We'll go west end, guys, and see if we can pick up something around there. At least we got one fish. At least we got one fish. Cool, man. All right, cool, Russ.
Nice kid.
Yeah, that's a small one still, but I caught bigger ones than this. You know what I'm saying? But because of the fact that me already have them out the water and I want me hold on one, makes sense, though. At least I got lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rushed the lure early, a soft plastic lure, but he never hit it like the way he's supposed to. Yeah, guys, so I moved from off the pier, come over this side. I'm not getting much fruitfulness over there. So I said, let me come on this side and try to throw some line on this side in this little cove over here and see what I can pick up. Because I guess I'm rough seas this morning, guys. So not much I can do. Oh shit. Look what I found. I just found me a cheap Chinese topwater lure. Oh wow, cool. Not gonna leave that there. Nothing. I'm gonna go where that wind is in my back, guys. Yeah, we're gonna run across this cove and see if we can pick something up on this. And if not, get out of here, guys. Ooh, something hit after it a while ago, like a red snapper. I seen something red hit after it, guys. I have no idea what that was, but I'll run it back again. The lizard fish grabbed after it. That's what it was. He grabbed it and missed, guys. I guess his mouth wasn't big enough. I guess it's their season down here in the grill. Whole bunch of lizard fish. Hey, damn. Bing. Almost hit the bird. Nothing on the spoon, guys. Switch off and head to the paddle tail again. Fishing. I had to change cameras because my chest cam went. Battery's dead. And I only got one battery for that camera. Which, and I should have a lot of batteries. So let's hope and pray that this will last me throughout the rest of this trip while I charge the next one. And stay tuned. Making sure fishing. We are out here, guys. Like it's lizard fish day for me or something. Swim at your own risk. That means if you come here and you can't swim, you're in trouble. Because you're looking at about 30 to 40 foot of water down here. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that. Holy smoke, guys. Look at this. This is awesome. Wow. Woo, woo, woo. This water's deep. But let's see if we get any hits in it. Alright, we're going to go down a little bit further. I'm sure this is the natural way of the rocks. And the human steps was just made. These look slippery at all times. That is deep water. I highly doubt I'm gonna hook up anything here. This structure. But if a fish hits anything here, it's a one-off thing. Yeah, the water is just a little bit, has a lot of current. Alright, let's try with some soft plastic. And what we're gonna do is let it sink. Oh wow, look at that. Swim at your own risk, guys. See if I can get out a little bit further. Alright, guys. The second one, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000. Hey guys, so this is like 30 or 40 feet deep. This is not a joke. Oh, hey, how you doing? That's why I was looking behind to make sure that there was nobody behind me. Not yet. I've caught a couple this morning already, but not yet. Not here. I'm actually using my spoon lure. But here's so deep that the top water action is going to be a little bit. So, no, what happened is I use stuff that glitter. So it glitters and puts that bait fish action on. That makes him think it's a bait fish. And so, but yeah. Oh yeah, you can. Oh yeah, the jacks are famous for that. They go up and down the coast feeding all day long. Yeah. So I let it sink for a bit. Go down. Nothing. Yeah, he's about to take that dive, guys. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, he jumped off in there. You see how deep that is, guys? No joke. So Yeah, he's definitely enjoying himself on that one. Damn, this lure got torn up, barracuda up. So we're gonna try using it one more time and jig. This is a nice little spot to come to in the grill, guys. So if you want to come do a little picnic vibes here in the grill, here you go. Whoppers. Awesome spot. Nice little lawn and everything. Come do your little cookout, chill out, stuff like that. So maybe get a chance, guys, come and check it out. This wall in this abandoned building here in the grill. It is an abandoned building. There's nobody in it. Or it's being renovated, one of the two. But I just got this nice opportunity. So I check this spot out. It looks promising. Not feeling that breeze. So this side looks a lot calmer than normal. Yeah, they're building up the hell out in the grill. And I don't know, that was my boy's hotel before. And bad partnerships. That's the problem. A lot of Jamaicans get involved in bad partnerships, guys. They get involved in these sticky characters that like to steal. Fuck them. Oh damn, I just shot right on top of that reef. Yeah, most likely there'd be a barrel patrolling out here someplace. With all the structure. Maybe we need to go on the next wall facing that direction. We're not getting a clear spot enough. So I guess I haven't seen any chases. So we're on private property, by the way, guys. We are definitely on private property. Fishing. Not getting any registered chases, guys. Not a dang thing, guys. Yesterday was barra day. Today's lizard fish day, guys. Nothing, guys. Oh shit. Broke my damn leg. Just not giving me the effect as it used to be. I had a barrow chase my line from over there earlier. Back on the pier again. Have to get a deep diver. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Woo, woo, woo. Another lizard fish. Another one, guys. Deep diver. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Hitting them today, guys. Killing them today. I know one of you got away from me earlier. Well, can't get away today. Yeah, I know you must try to flash that hook in people's hands and shit like that. That shit ain't working today. Get your ass down there. Yeah, last one of you flashed a hook in my thumb. Yeah. Now pink will get you every time. Scotty, don't just untroll enough. I'll catch 2 fish. Ja God, man. You can't pick me up and just catch 2 barra, man. Hey guys, that's our marine police. Aiming out. Yeah, that deep dive will get you. Yeah, that deep dive will definitely get them. I don't want to throw too much in that reef, because it does go down immediately as it hits that water. Where you going? Can't allow you to go nowhere. You're part of my lunch today. So, come on, calm down. Come back, come back, come back. Yeah, you have to just stay in one place, buddy. Can't go nowhere. Yeah, guys, so music. I'll be playing like goddamn music so loud while I'm videoing, but not like they know anyways. Go with a soft plastic in Oxford. I doubt this is gonna hook anything, but hey, I got another lizard fish, guys. Let's get you out of here. 10:27, about 10:30, 11 o'clock. I'm out of here.